Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm your instructor Dali from Koyotech, and now let's get started by learning a little bit more about what exactly is HTML and how do we use it to create websites. So first, no matter what browser you like to use, Chrome or Safari or Firefox, even all of these applications do the same thing, except one browser of course. JavaScript is like the engine that powers a website, but it can't work on its own. Though CSS is crucial for creating a visually appealing website, you can create a basic web page using just HTML. And in fact, that's exactly what the first websites were created with. Now, HTML defines the content and the structure of the website. But before we dive into these historical pieces of art, what exactly is HTML? So let's break it down. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and if we take a look at the first part, hypertext, what does that mean? Well, it refers to the pieces of text which can link to other documents in the website. So these pieces of text are hypertext or hyperlinks, and they are the foundation of how an HTML website works. Now, if we take a look at the world's first website created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, who also happens to be the inventor of the internet, then you can see it's filled with these hyperlinks marked in blue and exactly as you would expect. If you click on any of these hyperlinks, it takes you to another document, another HTML file, and this is how the hypertext works. Now that we understand the hypertext, let's explore the other part, markup language. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button for more content. Alright, let's go back now. So markup language. Now English has special things called features that help us write better, and double quotes are an example of one of these features. So the quotation marks shows us that the words inside them are being said by someone else. Well, Joey's use of quotation marks is not how we use them actually in English.
I'm sorry.
So what do we call the special words that tell the computer how to display text in HTML? Well, it's done through what's called HTML tags. So here you can see all of the HTML tags, but when we narrow it down to the ones that you actually need to know, then it makes it a lot more approachable. So in the coming episodes, we are going to be covering some of the most essential tags. So don't worry about memorizing all of them or learning them. We are going to cover the tags as we need them in our projects and in our exercises. So the heading tag, a cornerstone of HTML, will be the focus of our next episode. So for all of that and more, see you in the next episode.